Welcome everyone to Best Wedding Ever. We are Nicole and Alex. We help new and novice officiants plan and officiate perfect, personal wedding ceremonies. So if you have a question about how to turn your ceremony chaos into the best wedding ever, let us know in the comments.
Welcome back, everyone. We're so excited you could join us for this edition of Best Wedding Ever. In this episode, we're going to talk about tiny weddings. Tiny, teeny tiny. So our question comes from an officiant who writes, my couple wants a tiny wedding, 6 people total. I don't want them to walk away feeling like we all just met up for brunch or something. How can I help this tiny wedding feel official?
First step, sign the marriage certificate.
Yeah.
That's the number one key to an official wedding.
Yeah, make it legal.
But that said, we love tiny weddings.
Yep.
Because every single element can be intentional. I mean, we had 38 people at our wedding, and we made every single moment count.
Yes, and don't forget about the guests. So 6 people means that these 6 people are this couple's zombie apocalypse team. I mean, they're it, right, in the entire world. And that means that any contribution you can help these guests make is going to be super meaningful if you play it right.
Because the key word in that is deliberate. I mean, for yourself, imagine spending 5 minutes in a meditation versus 5 minutes waiting at the bus stop. It's a very different experience, but the same short amount of time. Mm-hmm. And I think that your role as an officiant is to help the couple make these deliberate choices about every single element of the experience, from how to include other people to how the space is set up. I think that you and the couple can meditate on intention with every choice that you all make, and that you're going to create this lasting and powerful impact with this small amount of people.
Yeah, that's it. Ask a tiny question, get a tiny answer.
Rock it big time. Thanks so much for joining us, officiants. If you have a question or a tricky situation we might help you navigate, please reach out by leaving a comment below or emailing us through our contact form at rebelheartrituals.com. We're so proud that you are taking your officiating responsibilities so seriously, and we're glad you're ready to rebel against should to create the best wedding ever. See you next time.